हेलो एवरीवन। अभी जो टॉपिक रह गए थे पोलिनोमियल चैप्टर में, ये पोलिनोमियल चैप्टर हम कर रहे थे। तो इसमें जो टॉपिक रह गए थे उसको आज हम कवर करने वाले हैं। तो इसे हम शुरू करते हैं। एक सेकंड दे दीजिए मुझे, बस हो गया। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे देखते हैं टाइप्स ऑफ पोलिनोमियल विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू जीरो। मैं इसका नोट्स आप बना लेना, ठीक है। ये मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ और मैं पढ़ के भी बता देती हूँ ताकि आपको राइटिंग, मतलब ऐसे तो ये क्लियर है बट कोई भी दिक्कत हो इसके लिए मैं आपको पढ़ के बता रही हूँ। लीनियर पोलिनोमियल, अ पोलिनोमियल ऑफ डिग्री 1 इज कॉल्ड लीनियर पोलिनोमियल। एग्जाम्पल है क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल, अ पोलिनोमियल ऑफ डिग्री 2 इज क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल। एग्जाम्पल क्यूबिक पोलिनोमियल ऑफ डिग्री 3 इज कॉल्ड क्यूबिक पोलिनोमियल। एग्जाम्पल है biquadratic polynomial, a polynomial of degree 4 is called biquadratic polynomial. इसके एग्जाम्पल constant polynomial, a polynomial having only one term which is constant is called constant polynomial. Degree of constant polynomial is 0. And 9 is a constant polynomial. Types of polynomial with respect to number of terms. Monomial, an expression containing only one term is called monomial. Example, binomial, an expression containing two terms is called a binomial. Example, trinomial, an expression containing three terms is called trinomial. Zero of polynomial, a is called a zero of polynomial p of x if value of p of x is equal to x at 0 is called p of a. ये आप एग्जाम्पल देख सकते हो, p of a, p of 2, zero of polynomial, p of x 0, hence the hence 0 is not the polynomial of px. Degree of zero polynomial is not defined. Roots of polynomial equation. Zeros of a polynomial p of x are called roots of the polynomial equation p of x 0. Let p of x is equals to itna, p of n, hence p of 1, hence p of n आ गया, p of 1 and 2 are the roots of the polynomial. Zero of the zero polynomial, each real number of zero of the zero polynomial, let p of x itna from the which any whole number. Zeros of constant and non-zero polynomial, p of x is equal to 2 as a constant non-zero polynomial, p of a 2 for each real number. A real number is a zero of a zero polynomial p of x. Degree of zero polynomial is not defined. Note, it is not necessary that zero of a polynomial is zero polynomial having more than one zeros. Each linear polynomial has one and only one zero. Zero may be zero of the polynomial. Standard form of polynomial, the terms of the polynomial ascending or descending power of x. Example itna, symbol of for a polynomial in p of in x is generally denoted by p of x, q of x, r of x, s of x, f of x, etc. Remainder theorem of the factor theorem. Remainder theorem, ठीक है. Let p of x be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1 and a is a real number. If p of x is divided x minus a, then remainder is equal to p of a. Let q of x is the quotient and r of x is the remainder when p of x is divided by x minus 1 and p of x is r of x. रिमाइंडर थ्योरम क्या होता है इसे देखते हैं. We find the zero polynomial of the divisor and the zero polynomial putting dividend, then find the zero which is remainder. p of x and इतना है, q of x इतना है, ये देख सकते हो. Division process will continue till remainder becomes 0 or degree of remainder is less than the degree of the divisor. Factor theorem, p of x of a polynomial in f of x degree n greater than, and let any real number then x minus a, factor p of x is a and p of x is a factor of x and the factor then p of a is itna. The divisor is not a greater than the dividend and the remainder should always be less than the divisor. Product of two linear polynomial is a quadratic polynomial. इतना example है. Product of quadratic polynomial is biquadratic polynomial. Multinomial, if the number of the terms in the algebraic expression is more than the two, is known as multimonial.